Hello everyone, I hope you can understand me easily this lesson. We continue our lessons. In our last lesson we updated the icons. Product transactions are completed. Next are the other transactions. Before moving on to the other transactions, I would like to talk about the data transfer object, so DTO layer. The DTO layer has a really important place in programming. The DTO layer will act as a bridge for us. I would like to show images. Calling the entity layer in the presentation layer is not a very correct approach, as you can see. What is controller? You can see we call the entity layer in product entity. It's not a very correct approach. In other words, we cannot say that it is wrong, but it is not right either. So what should we do? We should add one more layer. This layer will establish a connection between the entities and the transactions to be performed. For example, let's say you have a product table. There are nearly 40 properties in your product table. The person who has the accountant role wants to perform a transaction. What does the accountant do? He knows the price, tax rate, name, and some other details of the product. For example, the accountant is not interested in the packaging color of the product. This is someone else's responsibility. Another, for example, what does the warehouse manager do? He knows which shelf the products are on and in which order. The tax rate of that product doesn't concern the warehouse manager. We didn't use the product and category entities correctly by calling them in the presentation before. We need to make this more correct. Whoever wants to use them should use them. For example, for products, accountant, warehouse manager, field sales employee, logistics manager, all of them work for the product table, but their tasks and responsibilities are different. What was Solid telling us? Call whatever you need, use what you call. So let's create our layer. Right click solution Foody and add new project. We need a class library. I can choose next, and our project name is foody.dto layer. Okay, and next I choose .NET 6 create, and our DTO layer is ready. Good. Close these tabs, right click class 1 and delete this here. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day.